Pure cane sugar is due to Leuconostoc species. Sulfur sting in cane sugar is due to Clostridium nigricans. The percentage of water in fruits is 80 to 90 percentage. Fruits are generally deficient in proteins. Avocado contains approximately 25 percentage of fat. The prominent organic acid present in grapes is tartaric acid. Which of the following acids combines with calcium to give calcium oxalates? Oxalic acid. The percentage of fat in amla is 0.1. Moisture content of channa from buffalo milk is 51.6. Protein content of channa from buffalo milk is 14.4. Channa is a good source of fat, protein, vitamin A and vitamin D. Amount of citric acid required to coagulate 1 kilogram of fresh milk is 2 to 2.5 gram. Amount of lactic acid required to coagulate 1 kilogram of fresh milk is 2 to 2.5 gram. For desirable body and texture in channa, pH of coagulation should be around 5.4. For desirable body and texture in channa, temperature and coagulation should be around 82 degrees Celsius. Among the following, the highest amount of calcium is found in dates. Among the following, the highest amount of fat is found in cherries. Among the following, the highest amount of mineral is found in apple. The richest source of phosphorus is banana. Richest source of carotene is banana. Carotene content in apricot is 90 μg. The vitamin C content in amla is 600. Melon contains 95.8 gram of water. Mango is rich source of carotene. Mozambique contains 0 μg of carotene. The egg white is capable of inhibiting heme agglutination because of ovomucin. The egg white protein which has ability to bind the metallic iron is conalbumin. The protein content of wood apple is 7.1. Strawberries are red in color. When a cut apple is exposed to air, browning occurs due to the presence of protein substance in fruit. The enzyme responsible for enzymatic browning in cut fruit, PPO. Enzymatic browning can be prevented by sugar and lemon juice. Which of the following affect the body and texture of channa? Fat content of milk, acidity of milk, adulteration of milk. Which of the following is a flavor defect in channa? Smoky, sour and rancid. Which of the following is a body and texture defect in channa? Hard body and cold structure. Which of the following is color and appearance defect in channa? Dry surface, moldy surface and foreign matter. Channa is used in the preparation of rasagola, sandesh and pandova. On ripening of the fruit, protopectin changes to pectin and pectic acid. Upon ripening, the acid content of the fruit decreases. On ripening, the development of sweetness occurs. Upon ripening, the protein content of fruit remains constant. Upon ripening, the mineral content of fruit remains constant. Upon ripening, fat content of the fruit remains constant. On maturity, vitamin C content of the fruit increases. Amount of ovalbumin present in egg is 55% of the protein of egg white. The respiration of fruits continues after harvesting. Metabolic activities of fruit decreases at low temperature. Low oxygen level decreases spoilage by retarding ripening process. High carbon dioxide level decrease spoilage by retarding ripening process. Ripening of fruit is hastened by ethylene. The ambient storage temperature for banana is 16 degrees Celsius. Fruits are mature ovary and receptacle of plant with their seeds. The outermost layer of fruit is called epicarp. Pectins are polymers of sugar and acid derivatives. The natural enzyme present in fruit that hydrolyzes pectin is pectin methyl esterase. Pectin methyl esterase is deactivated at 80 degrees Celsius. The decrease in viscosity of fresh tomato paste with time is due to pectin methyl esterase. Calcium pectates are water insoluble. The pigments and their precursors found in fruits and vegetables occurs in chloroplast and chromoplast. Pectic substances hold the cells of fruits together. In immature fruits, pectin is present as protopectin. Which of the following is a group of pigments in fruits and vegetables? Chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. Chlorophyll is oil soluble. The metal bound to chlorophyll is magnesium. The release of bound magnesium in the chlorophyll lead to change of chlorophyll to pheophytin. Pheophytin is brown in color. The addition of magnesium salt can prevent the conversion of chlorophyll to pheophytin. One molecule of carotene is converted to two molecules of vitamin A. Which of the following is not a precursor of vitamin A? Chlorophyll. Anthocyanin pigments belong to the group of plant pigment known as flavonoids. Anthocyanins includes red, blue, and purple pigments. Anthocyanins are most sensitive to pH. Tannins are responsible for the dark color of the bark of oak trees. Tannins are water soluble. The color of tannin complex is black. Important characteristic of tannin is astringency. Betalains is present in red beet. Isothiocyanates show antifungal activity. Lactoperoxidase system consists of lactoperoxidase, thiocyanate, and hydrogen peroxide. Bovine milk normally contain lactoperoxidase 30 ppm. Which of the following is an intrinsic parameter of microbial growth? pH. Temperature, relative humidity, and other organisms are extrinsic parameters for microbial growth. With respect to temperature requirement, microorganisms are of three types. Organisms that grow well or at below 7 degrees Celsius, psychrophile. Organisms grow at or above 55 degrees Celsius as thermophiles. Which of the following is a psychotroph? Pseudomonas, Enterococcus, and Micrococcus. Which of the following is a psychotroph? Psychobacter, Corynebacterium, and Flavobacterium. Which of the following include thermophilic bacteria? Pediococcus, Alicyclobacillus, Thermoanerobacter. Betalains are water soluble. During plant photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is given out. During plant respiration, carbon dioxide is given out. Upon harvesting, the amount of starch increases in vegetables. Unripe fruit has high starch and low sugar. Upon harvesting, the water-insoluble pectic substance in fruit decreases. Upon harvesting, the water-soluble pectin substance in fruit increases. The softening of fruits during ripening and storage is due to pectin. The organic acid content decrease upon ripening of fruit. The quality decline in stored respiring fruit is termed as senescence. 2 to 3% of oxygen decreases the spoilage by retarding the ripening process of fruits. 4 to 5% of carbon dioxide decreases the spoilage by retarding the ripening process of fruits. In berry, the edible part is pericarp.